Lay on your back with your pelvis in a neutral position. Your head should rest comfortably on the floor. Your legs should extend into the air, bent in a tabletop position. Brace through your core and make sure your ribs are down and not thrust forward. Your arms should rest comfortably at your sides. Inhale through your nose, allowing your belly, back, and sides to expand. As you exhale, lower your foot to the floor, allowing your toes to touch the ground. Exhale through your mouth, engaging your deep abdominal muscles. Draw your knee back up to the starting position as you zip up through your core. Repeat, lowering your opposite leg down. Make sure that you keep your hips square during the exercise, and also ensure that when you lower your leg down, it does not tip your pelvis forward. The tightness and the tension in your core should prevent your pelvis from moving forward or back while you perform the exercise.